dust and the noise, I remember your name. When the night closes in, you stay the same. Boots in the gravel, night on my shoulders, lights in the distance, fear getting bolder. I was sinking deep, I could barely breathe, but I called out loud, Lord, don't leave me. You reached through the dark like a rescue line, pull me up fast when the ground wasn't kind. They thought I was done, they thought I would fall, but you lifted me up, you heard my call. So I raised my voice where the radios crackle, I raised my hands even when my knees tremble. I will praise you, Lord, you lifted me out of the depths, you carried me. Weeping may stay for the night out here, but joy comes in the morning, joy comes near. You turn my sorrow into a song, you put strong hope where fear was strong. Lord, my God, I'll praise you forever, praise you forever. I used to say, nothing can shake me. I felt so sure, like the world couldn't break me. Then the silence hit, and my heart went cold, and I realized quick, I can't stand alone. When I couldn't see you, I started to shake, but mercy moved when I prayed, Lord, make a way. Not my strength, not my plan, not my name, only you can turn the night today. So tell my squad, tell my friends, tell the weary, his favor stays and his help is steady. I will praise you, Lord, you lifted me out of the depths, you carried me. Weeping may stay for the night out here, but joy comes in the morning, joy comes near. You turn my sorrow into a song, you put strong hope where fear was strong. Lord, my God, I'll praise you forever, praise you forever. Hear me, Lord, be merciful, be my help when the road is hard. If my voice goes quiet in the dust, who will tell of the God I trust? So I'm calling you again. Hold my life in your hand. I will praise you, Lord, you lifted me out of the depths, you carried me. Weeping may stay for the night out here, but joy comes in the morning, joy comes near. You turn my sorrow into dancing, Lord, you wrap me up in joy restored. Lord, my God, I'll praise you forever, praise you forever. Not silent, not silent, my heart will sing.